The weather is extremely hot and I was thinking, I have a fan, I have a CPU fan, and I have a charger. Why shouldn't I create a desktop fan? First thing we will need is a CPU fan. Okay, this is the Intel CPU fan. As you can see, we will see 4 pins and we will need a charger. Okay, this is a Samsung charger and this was a Type-C cable. I just simply cut the connection port and you will see this. Need red and black one. If you don't see the black, you can choose the gray. My charger is ready. Right now we are going to remove the port. I mean, we are going to cut it from here. On the CPU fan, you will need the black one and the yellow one. You will have to do what? Black to black and yellow to red. Okay, we did it, and if you want, you can use it with the power bank and use it on the vacations, use it in the car and this kind of things. Let me turn that on. As you can see, it is turned on with the power bank. If you want, you can use a key switch for this fan that we created. See you on the next one.